I believe that if you understand how to use a cleaning tool properly, it can cut your cleaning time. Now the mop, the humble mop, can do so much more than just clean floors. And even when it comes to cleaning floors, you have to understand the proper technique so that you get the job done efficiently and effectively.
High dusting is one of those often forgotten cleaning jobs because who's looking up? But really that's where cobwebs and dust tend to build up, and it's an important thing to stay on top of. So using a mop like this is great because it's quite a bit less strenuous than having to, climb up a ladder and use a cloth to reach really, really high. So that's why these are great and cleaning pros love them. And now for low dusting. When it comes to getting underneath furniture that's otherwise difficult to move, sometimes you can't always get in there with a vacuum cleaner, which is why having a flexible cleaning tool like a mop with a flexible head and a dust pad will really solve your problem. Now, a glass shower door or panel can be quite difficult to clean because you've got to get all the way up and all the way down low. So using a flathead mop with a pad to do the cleaning and then a microfiber cloth attached to it to do the drying, this is sort of acting like a squeegee, is a great time saver. You see this precision edge? This is going to make a huge difference when it comes to cleaning baseboards. Unlike other flathead microfiber mops, this one you can really jam into the corner and the quarter round and all of the little grooves of the baseboard so that you can really get rid of dust without having to bend down. For folks that have mobility issues, this is a great solution. Cleaning with a microfiber mop allows you to get that extra reach that you might want to get up high or down low without necessarily having to hurt yourself or overextend yourself. Now, windows is another great place you can use a microfiber mop. I've sprayed the window and then I'm using a general squeegee pattern or an S pattern, and I'll finish it off with a quick up and down swipe with the other side of the microfiber mop just to get everything nice and dry and streak free. For spills and stains, affixing a thick microfiber cloth to the base of a mop is a great way to solve the problem. Now, I'm using a heavy-duty mop pad here to deal with some really stubborn stains. You would simply wet the mop or spray the stain and then give it a good scrub. Wall cleaning is something that we don't typically do on a regular basis, but if you've got a lot of fingerprints or dust, or if you're just moving into a place, cleaning a wall is necessary and it can feel daunting. So using a microfiber mop by just quickly treating it with some all-purpose cleaner and then using the W pattern to clean your wall is a great way to get the job done. Dry mopping floors is a quick and easy thing you can do between cleans. This is a great alternative to sweeping, and we love using our microfiber mop for this purpose when we don't feel like getting out a vacuum. It's good for dust, but it's also really good for big crumbs. Now, wet mopping, you have a couple of options with a microfiber mop. One of the things you can do is spray the surface that you're about to clean and just use the S pattern or W pattern to do your cleaning. You can also wet the mop pad ahead of time. I'm using water here. You can even soak it in a floor cleaning solution and then affix your clean mop pad to your mop head and do your job.
And that leads me to this week's comment question, which is, and it's controversial, what is your take on the 5-second rule? Are you someone who believes if something falls on the floor, you can pick it up as long as it's within 5 seconds and eat it? Or when it falls, it's done? So let me know your thoughts on the 5-second rule in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.